Casetify's got a case for everyone, even if you're from the future. So let's check it out. Today, we're talking all things Casetify because they partnered on this video, but also, yes, I actually like their products as it just gets me. Basically, they offer a range of cases from tough to tougher to toughest. But if you're looking to stay slim on your phone and yourself, the Impact series is the way to go, as it offers all their fancy designs around back, but is also rated for up to 8.2 feet of drop protection, something most other slim cases don't even come close to. All thanks to this. Their EcoShock material lined around the edges, used in all their tough cases so it can handle this. Personally for me though, it's the secret message around back on this one to let my girlfriend know to back it up. But don't worry, just know it can handle being smacked around too. But the best part is just how nice this feels in your pocket, which you didn't think mattered until you really think about it. This guy gets it. Now, if you want all that, but just need a bit more protection, the Ultra Impact series offers up to 11-foot drop protection thanks to the added padding around the corners. But honestly, not adding much bulk anywhere else. Plus, the print quality is so top-notch, I sometimes forget it's not real. Oh. But you know it's the real deal with the blacked out camera ring covering your 3 pimples, plus the raised lip around front. But don't forget, they also personalize too, because sometimes you just want to make sure that they know, especially when you're sitting around just admiring. So really, it just comes down to, are you Butterfinger clumsy or Ralph Wiggum from The Simpsons level clumsy? Don't worry, as tough as it is, it still offers magnets for your favorite MagSafe accessories too, with MagSafe rings available in all their cases from their Slim Impact and Ultra Impact series to the toughest bounce case and the clearest of clear cases, all offering a fairly strong grip on your MagSafe accessories too. But if you're thinking, I've done way worse to my iPhone, well, that EcoShock material can go a long way, like in their toughest case, the Bounce series, where they even lined the backside with it too, and included enough shoulder pads it could play in the Super Bowl and hit a home run, because no matter how hard it gets hit, it absorbs it all, unlike its opponents, so it's got no problem dealing with the real world. But for a tougher than tough case, installation is simple, snapping each corner in, and while thicker than the Impact series, it's still manageable one-handed, with clicky buttons, and offers the same features as mentioned before, except like the name suggests, these air pocket corners really do bounce, absorbing every hit so your iPhone doesn't have to feel it, all while still being very pocket friendly too. Surprising, as it looks like there are horns sticking out of it, but like the unicorn it strives to be, when combined with your favorite screen protector for 360 degrees of coverage you can count on, I tested it through my IRL drop test Olympics, starting with a 3-point competition, then the classic tossing your booger tissue into the garbage, and in honor of the world remembering it's actually called football, and the classic protein bowl. Get it? Because bowling, some good old-fashioned catch, and I know y'all are gonna say I've got some really comfy carpet inside, so well, bam, managing even the most outrageous drops that I don't know why you'd ever do, but after all that, very surprisingly, not a single scratch. Plus, you'll also feel good buying this, as it's made from recycled phone cases, which is a full circle moment, and comes in a range of colors and designs, so there's something for everyone. However, if there really isn't, they've even got a clear case as well. So you can just show off the beauty of your new iPhone while still getting 6.6 feet of drop protection, as they've optimized to prevent yellowing too. So it stays clear from day one until the day the iPhone 15 comes out, because I know y'all upgrading the moment Apple drops a new one. Plenty of protection for daily use, wireless charging capable still too, with MagSafe compatibility as well, so comment which case you'd cop, whether you need minimal coverage or protection to the max. No judgment here. For more iPhone videos, watch this, but that's it. I rest my case.